Just got a quick video for you guys today. I just want to talk about what is Android Auto, what is Apple CarPlay, and what is iPhone mirroring or Android mirroring. So here, let me show you first what I'm referring to. So you're gonna see this logo and this logo a lot on radios, and you're gonna wonder what that means. So there is an interface for your smartphone to show on your radio, and that, depending on your phone, it's called either Android Auto or Apple CarPlay. Android Auto works for Android phones, Apple CarPlay works for your iPhone. The way the interface works is it can work wirelessly or wired. Your cheaper units are going to be wired, so something from Kenwood for Apple CarPlay starts around $299, and that's going to be wired CarPlay. Wired CarPlay really isn't a problem. It keeps your phone charged. I prefer it, but it's going to require your cable. So this is for an Android, but it's going to require your cable and then a connection to your phone. So I'm going to plug my phone in. So my phone's plugged in. It's running to the radio. This is the radio in our showroom. So just work with me here. And this is the interface that you will receive. So Android Auto is great. The purpose of it is to make using your phone in your car more convenient and easier, and make it a safer experience for everyone, because your hands aren't on your phone, you're not looking down. Normally your radio is in a position where it's not too distracting from the road, and you can quickly get into things that are important to you. So if you need to see your maps because you're on your way, you're going somewhere, etc., you can easily pull up a map, check where you're at, or set a destination, whatever you're doing. It's very simple, fast, intuitive. If you want to figure out where something is, you can ask your assistant, hey, what time is it? And it will reply back with the time, etc. Here, let me turn an amp on so you can hear what's going on. And let me hit that button again, so you'll go, hey, what time is it?
It's 3:40 p.m.
Sure, okay. Hey, where's the nearest gas station?
All right, I'm setting your destination to Exxon in Bay Shore.
And then there you go.
Head west toward 5th Industrial
Now
Court.
you're on your way. This is very beneficial when you're doing something on the road and you need to quickly get somewhere. Also, there are other options here for you. So right now YouTube Music is playing, so you can play music through this platform, Android Auto. So yeah, I can come here and change the song, etc. Look at my song list, things like that. Then you also get other apps. A big thing that I want to address that a lot of people get confused about with both interfaces, either Android Auto or Apple CarPlay, you cannot play video to your head unit. So a lot of people want to play YouTube videos, movies, other videos onto the screen using these two interfaces. You cannot, for safety reasons, and it's against the law to watch video while you're driving. That's why you cannot watch video through Android Auto or Apple CarPlay. There are hack methods. You can root your phone to allow you to do so, but they've been patched on the other end, so I don't actively know of any ways to bypass this so you can watch video, but they have been done, and if you know about them, you can put them in the comments. Maybe it'll help somebody. I'm not endorsing that. I'm not telling you to do that. It's illegal and it could be dangerous, but you do get other apps. So we have maps. I have my phone. I can go into podcasts. I can also go into SMS. So if I wanted to send a quick message or read someone's messages, they would show up here only during my drive. So you're not going to see every single text message that comes through, only the ones while you're driving. Then I can check my calendar. I can go into Messenger for Facebook. Again, all messages only while you're driving. And then there are other apps that do work and don't work. I don't have all of them installed on my phone, but this is how you can use Android Auto. Now, Android Auto is going to be available on different manufacturer. So this is a Kenwood DMX 706. This is a Pioneer AVH 220EX. This radio doesn't have Apple CarPlay, Android Auto, but Pioneer does make an Apple CarPlay, Android Auto head unit, along with Sony. Bose makes one also. You can add them to Android radios. JVC makes one. A whole different set of manufacturers all make Apple CarPlay or Android Auto compatible radios. Some are wired, other ones are wireless, but that is something that is on the market, technology that if you haven't seen, I hope this video helps you. Now I want to show you what Apple CarPlay looks like. Here's what Apple CarPlay looks like. So very similar to Android Auto. This is the Apple CarPlay interface. Again, you have your map, and then you have your music, so you can jump into Apple Music, and then you have your messages. This one is a little, the Apple CarPlay interface I feel is like a little better laid out, because you can shift these around to the icons you want, and then you can shift these to whatever app you're looking for. So if you're looking for your phone, music, maps, messages, etc., they're all right here. But if you're looking specifically for a specific app you use all the time, maybe you use Pandora, maybe you use Spotify, you can hit that icon right here instead of having to search for it, which can really save you time, really be helpful. Now again, I don't have all the apps on this iPhone installed, so there are plenty of more apps. I'll try to include them in the description that work with Apple CarPlay, Android Auto, so you are on your own to look for if the app you want to use will work or not. Again, Android Auto, Apple CarPlay will not allow video playback. So as you can see, there is no video apps here for you to play video through. It's just for maps and then music. So if you're looking to play video with this method, you're better off with mirroring than with Apple CarPlay or Android Auto. Again, this is wired Apple CarPlay, so you have to plug your phone in to use it. There is wireless Android Auto and wireless Apple CarPlay. It's a little bit more expensive, but if you're not about wires, then that can totally help you a bunch. The last thing I want to show you is the Android mirroring and iPhone mirroring, and that's your last option for viewing your phone on your car, head stereo, receiver, etc. And let me show you that on a different radio now. Alright guys, the last thing I want to show you is what's referred to as mirroring, phone mirroring, iPhone mirroring, etc. And most of the times this is going to require an app. So right now I'm using an Android phone, and it prompted me to install this app, so I'm going to install it. And then it looks like there's a little bit of a process that I'm going to have to do here. So I'm just going to let that download, and then I should be able to see my phone screen on the screen. So it's asking me for some prompts while I'm using the app. So here we go. I'm going to turn off my Bluetooth, turn on my Bluetooth, because I'm actually paired to the other radio, and Bluetooth is how you're going to get your audio. So I'm going to go to YouTube. Let me put on a video that, let me actually search Max Car Audio or subwoofer upgrade, and then I'm going to play the video. And once I go full screen, I go full screen on here. The wiring may seem tight, guys, and right now, since my Bluetooth's not hooked up, let me just hook up my Bluetooth first. Disconnect. Go home. Go Bluetooth audio. So I'm just gonna pair a new device. So right now, all I'm doing, guys, is I'm setting up the Bluetooth. This is something that I should have done beforehand. So now we're paired. So now I can plug my phone in, and it's going to always prompt me to allow the recording. So now we're going to go back to YouTube, and now we have our video. And now our video is playing through our phone onto here. So we're mirroring our phone. So what this means is that your phone will have to stay on for this to work. With Android Auto, Apple CarPlay, there is no way. With Android Auto, Apple CarPlay, you can shut your phone off and the video will still play. Once I shut my phone off here, the mirroring goes away. So your phone needs to stay on. Whatever's on the screen is what will show on the other screen. Now, there also might be a delay in audio because of the Bluetooth. That can happen. It can vary from phone to phone, but here's what's referred to as mirroring, and then this is anything that's on your phone will appear on your car. Now, this is great because I can control my phone from here. So it's a little bit laggy, but it's pretty a cool feature. If this is what you're looking for because you really want to play YouTube videos while you're driving, then this might be your best option instead of Android Auto, Apple CarPlay, because you could also turn your navigation on your phone and then go to Maps and then turn my screen sideways, and now here I have the same kind of view that I had before with my iPhone, with Android Auto, Apple CarPlay. So phone mirroring is one of the options that you do have. This is one of the radios that can do it. Here's the model number up here. This is another option. So again, you have Android Auto, Apple CarPlay, and phone mirroring. So you decide which feature you want. Phone mirroring is going to be the cheapest. Android Auto, Apple CarPlay are going to be a little bit more pricey. So remember that when you're selecting a radio. But alright guys, I hope this video helped. If you're looking for any of these receivers that I showed you, you can find them online almost anywhere. If you're in the local area, so Suffolk County, New York, so you know, Bayshore, West Islip, Brentwood, Central Islip, Hauppauge, etc. We're right in your vicinity. If you're looking to have something installed or looking to talk to someone about your next project, feel free to give us a shout. Again, mobilemaxaudio.com for the installation stuff. And our phone number is 631-538-0068. So just give us a call. We'll be glad to help you out with any of the projects that you're trying to work on, or if you're trying to upgrade the radio in your car, whatever it may be. Thank you for watching. Make sure you like and subscribe. It helps our channel and helps our business a lot. Hope to see you here next time.